Dear students, now we'll see what is a capacitor. What is the exact meaning of capacitor is it is a device which is used to store large amount of charge at low potential. What is a capacitor? It is a device. It is a device which is used to store large amount of charge at the low potential. There is one simple definition. What is a capacitor? A device which is used to store large amount of charge at low potential, or in we can write in another way also. It is an arrangement of the two conductors. Generally, a capacitor contains two conductors. Why instead of taking one conductor, what is the advantage of the taking two conductors? That is to increase the capacity of the conductor. What is the capacity? General meaning or capacitance? The capability or the capacity of storing the charge. So here, if you take the two conductors, it will increase the capacity of storing the charge. So you will write in another way the definition. It is an arrangement of two conductors to increase the capability of a conductor. So here remember, capacitor contains two conductors. So what is the symbol of the capacitor? We'll see. Suppose if you take the two conductors of any shape, the charges on first conductor is plus Q and here it is a minus Q. So these two are placed nearby each other. So these are electric field lines. So here the two conductors which are placed near to each other, then only the storing the capability of the charge it will be increased. That is nothing but capacitor. Generally this is the structure of the capacitor. So while connecting means in the circuit diagrams we will use the symbols for capacitors. What is the general symbol of the capacitor? This conductor A, this conductor is B. Or we can write, we can draw the symbol in this way also. Or so here it is, the charge is a variable. So these are the symbols generally we'll use capacitors. So here in previous lecture we have seen the parallel plate capacitor, that is a one of the type. So while drawing the circuit diagram of parallel capacitor, this is the general symbol we'll use. What does these two lines represent? The vertical lines, it may be straight lines or curved lines also we can take, no problem. So both are the representation of the parallel plate capacitor. So here these two vertical lines represent conductors and the horizontal lines represent the wires connected to either of the conductor. Next, here we have taken how many conductors? Two conductors. A combination of two conductors of any shape we can take. That's why here general structure I have taken this one. This is the structure of the capacitor. We can take these two conductors any shape. A combination of the two conductors of any shape placed close to each other that constitute a capacitor. This point it is important. Note down what is a capacitor general structure. It is a combination of two conductors of any shape placed close to each other that constitute a capacitor. Capacitor we can call also as a condenser. So here capacitor, another name we can call it as a condenser. And when a capacitor is charged, when a capacitor is charged, one of the two conductors will be given as a positive charge. Suppose this one is positive charge and the other is given as a negative charge of same magnitude. This important point we had to keep it in mind. If a capacitor is charged, when one of the plate is given to the positive charge, with the same magnitude should be given on another plate or another conductor, that is on opposite sign. Suppose if it is a plus q, this one must be minus q. Okay. Next, suppose this is a plus q. Suppose if the question is raised, what is the charge on the capacitor, means what will write generally the charge. This is also important point. The charge on the positive plate is called the charge on the capacitor. So here whatever the charge it is given on positive plate, that is said to be charge on the capacitor. And remember, these two magnitudes always will be same and the signs will be opposite. Suppose we would need to calculate the potential difference between the two plates. The potential difference between the two plates of a capacitor is known as the potential of the capacitor. This is also important while calculating the numericals. What is the potential on the capacitor means we have to calculate the potential difference between two plates of a capacitor is known as potential of a capacitor. That we can write potential of the capacitor is equal to potential on metal plate A minus potential on metal plate B. Or we can write what is metal plate A means what is the charge? Positive. We can write potential on positive plate minus potential on negative plate. So this is the way to calculate a potential of the capacitor. And one more point we should discuss here. Suppose what is the charge on the capacitor? Total charge on the capacitor. What is your answer? Here if it is what I told, if it is Here if it is a 2 coulomb of the charge, it is a minus 2 coulomb of the charge. So generally what is the charge on the capacitor means immediately what will be the answer? The total charge on the capacitor it will be 0. Actually that is a wrong answer. Charge on the capacitor, it doesn't mean the total charge on two conductors. So charge on the capacitor means the charge on the positive plate only. It doesn't mean that the total charge on the two metallic plates of the capacitor. If you take the two metallic plates capacitor, what it will give? If it is a plus 2 coulombs, it definitely minus 2 coulomb. What is the resultant? It will be 0. So it doesn't mean like that. So charge on the capacitor means that is a charge on the positive plate only.